What, Frylock? Pine or lemon fresh?
Does it come in chocolate?
I don't know. Why don't you spray it right in your eyes and find out?
Yeah, I'll do that. Why don't you come on down here and say that to my face, big boy?
Look, air freshener is not gonna clean this kitchen. Wait a second. Is this cheese?
Yeah.
How you gonna clean the kitchen with cheese, Shake?
We don't. Look, that room is dead to me now. We make the living room the new kitchen. Huh? Now, I know what some of you may be thinking. Shake, where's the stove? Here it is!
Shake,
The pilot
take a look
light
at this
room. I
mold.
mean, this baby's
My
ready to
God,
go
it's
right now.
breathing.
Hey, Shake,